SMC KQ2 one-touch, metric and inch size fittings are available in a wide variety of sizes, body styles and thread types. The specially designed packing provides positive sealing, under pressure, without the reduced flow common with compression fittings. The KQ2 release collar releases both the chuck and collet, to provide a low disconnection force for easy removal of the tubing. Features: accepts nylon and urethane tubes. Applicable for both vacuum and positive pressure applications. Release collar allows easy removal of tubing without damaging the tube. Maximum vacuum pressure of 1.0 Pa.